Hi everyone, this is Suman. So in this video, I'm just making a review on the course which I just taken. So that's the Machine Learning Masters and Deep Learning Introduction course by iNeuron. So the reason behind creating this video is many of them have they just connected me through LinkedIn, and since I just taken, right, they just started asking me, is it worth taking this course, and they just asking me about the course details, etc. So I just thought to create a video so that everyone can know this. So let's start this. So first of all, what's this iNeuron? So this is the startup which is founded by Krish and Sudhanshu. So this is the company where this is the startup where they used to teach professional courses on AI, like on ML, DL, on computer vision, NLP, right? So, and also they have some courses on data structures as well. So the main intention of this is to provide affordable education. So that's about this iNeuron. And when it comes to the course, right, I have just taken the course, this machine learning masters with deep learning introduction. Just taken, I think so, on November in 2020. I've just taken this course. So it's around 6 months long course. So when I just taken the course, the name is Machine Learning Masters with Deep Learning Introduction. But now they just changed that to Machine Learning and Deep Learning Masters. So they will just teach you all the concepts in ML and DL. Where when I just taken the course, they just taught all the machine learning part in depth, and they just given an overview of like the introduction to deep learning. But now they just Machine Learning and Deep Learning Masters, where they're just teaching both ML and DL in depth. So yeah, that's about this course intro. So when it comes to what are all the things they just provide in this course. So first of all, they will just teach you machine learning and deep learning from scratch to advanced level. So that's the first thing. And second thing is you will be learning like how to deploy the projects which you just created. So after you just creating the projects, whether like in order to make that useful to others, we have to deploy it, right? So they will just teach you how you can just deploy it, like in AWS, Azure, right, GCP, and as well as Heroku. So they will just teach you all the things, right, how you can just deploy the project. So and also you will be having lot of assignments as well for every course, right? If you just take Python, so when you just learn a concept, for example, let's say we just learn loops, or let's say you just learn some conditionals. So for everything they used to have assignments, right? They will be having assignments. So like you just want to do that, and you have to submit that assignment. So yeah, these all the assignments will be considered while giving you a certificate at the end. So yeah, so you'll be having assignments, so you can just after learning it theoretically, you can just practice it, right? So yeah, that's assignments. And also you'll be having a lot of projects, around, I think so, around 30 plus projects will be available on their dashboard. So you can just go through the projects, and you can just learn that projects, like how they just build that from scratch. So they used to give all the code, everything will be having for that project. So you can just learn from that. And the topics which included, like the topics which they will teach are like the first it's Python, obviously, and they will just teach you the data visualization tools, right? Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Cufflinks, all these things they will just teach you. And next thing is they have statistics as well, and this machine learning, deep learning, and also they will be having the Spark time series analysis. So all the concepts they will just teach you from basics to advanced level. That's about this course, right? So and now let's talk about like who are the instructors and what will be the teaching methodology. So the instructors will be the founders itself, right? Sudhanshu or otherwise Krish, they both will teach you. So here you have two options, whether you can just go in fast track mode, or you can just learn it from scratch. So the difference is, so if you are a complete beginner, if you don't know anything about this machine learning, so you will be having weekly 2 classes. So it will be around, I think so, around 3 hours. And the second thing is, if you already know ML, right? If you already know Python, ML, deep learning, if you just want to revise it, like you can just go in fast track mode. So for that they will be having already recorded sessions, right? So they will be having some already recorded sessions, so you can just go through that and you can just go in fast track mode, so that you don't need to wait for 6 months to complete the course. So you can just complete it within, right, you can just complete it very fast. So that's these two modes, like fast track mode, and as well as you can just learn to the through the daily classes. So that's about this. So when it comes to support, right, so if you have any queries, so they will be having Skype support, where whenever you have doubt, so they will just, so you can just pin them, right, you can just ask them, though they will just reply you. Or if you're just facing any issues while setting up your environment, or let's say when you are just deploying the project, or when you're just doing the projects or assignments, so they will just take you on your call and they will just take the access of your PC and they will just solve you, right? So that's very good thing you just found from that. And so that's about the support. And also weekly you will be having, I think so around Thursday, I think so, you will be having a doubt clear session. So whatever you just learned, right, whatever maybe your doubts, you can just ask that on that 3-hour doubt clearing session. So that's about the support from them. And when it comes to the other things, so apart from these teaching these ML, DL, right, apart from this curriculum, and also they have some extra things as well, like they will be giving you the interview preparation guide, so that you can just prepare for the interview. And also they will help you in creating your resume. And at the end you will be having a mock interview. In the mock interview you can just go one-on-one with the team, and you can just ask every query and everything, right, like how you can just build your project, and how you can just create your resume, how to apply for jobs, or whatever the doubts you have, you can just ask them at the end. So that's about the support from the team and also the other things. So when it comes to the course fee, it's around 3,500, so it's around 3,500. So yeah, when it comes to all the other courses which are available in the market, so it's affordable, right? So 3,500 for a 6 months long course where they are just teaching all the stuffs, right, all the concepts from basic to advanced level, and giving projects, giving you the support, helping you building your resume, and helping you to transition from some other non-technical field to data science field, right? So for all the things, 3,500 is worth taking. So it's completely affordable. And in my overview, from my experience, I'm just saying that I'm just happy to take that course, and I'm just learned a lot from that course. The instructors, everyone is very helpful. So yeah, that's my complete overview on this. So this is not any paid review, right? So this is my own experience, this is my own learnings from that course. And also you can just go through their page and you can just see the course details, like what are the topics they're just teaching and how the course will be. So I'll just give you the link for that in the description. So yeah, and one last thing to say, if you are just still feeling that this 3,500 is somewhat not affordable, that's completely fine. So we have YouTube Academy, right? So where you can just learn, where every course, every project, every concept, everything will be available for free. So if you just feel that it's not 3,500 is way too much, so you can just go through the YouTube and you can just learn it for free. And also there are some other free courses available. I have already created a video on that, right? You can just see here, like Google launched a free machine learning course, so you can just go through over here. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you got a clear overview of this iNeuron machine learning and deep learning course. So that's it for this video. If you feel this video is helpful, make sure to like the video, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And I will just making this kind of content weekly. So if you want to keep updated, so make sure to turn on the notification bell also. And also if you just want to join the community, I will just give you the link for that WhatsApp group in the description. You can just join there. So yeah, that's it. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.